Yo, what up everybody, it's your man Siddhartha Technology, and we're back at it again with another video. Now you guys know I love tech, but even the best phones can run into some hiccups every now and then. Whether it's a cracked screen from an unfortunate drop or your battery draining faster than you can say charge, it can be super frustrating dealing with a phone that's not working right. But before you go running to the repair shop, I'm here to tell you that you can actually fix a lot of these issues yourself. That's right, in today's video, we're diving deep into some DIY mobile phone fixes. We're talking easy at-home repairs that can save you time and money. So, if you're ready to channel your inner tech guru, let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with probably the most common phone issue, the dreaded cracked screen. It happens to the best of us, right? But before you freak out, the good news is that replacing a cracked screen is totally doable at home. First things first, you gotta make sure you have the right tools. You'll need a replacement screen specifically for your phone model. You can find these online, and a toolkit that includes things like a suction cup, spudger, and precision screwdrivers. Once you've got your tools ready, it's time to get down to business. Now the exact process will vary depending on your phone model, but generally, you'll be carefully heating and removing the broken screen, transferring over components like the front camera, and then installing the new screen. There are tons of detailed tutorials online, so don't worry about messing up. Just take your time, follow the steps, and you'll be surprised how satisfying it is to bring your phone back to life. Next up, we're tackling battery issues. If your phone isn't charging properly, don't jump to conclusions just yet. Sometimes the problem might be simpler than you think. First, check the obvious stuff. Is your charging cable frayed or damaged? Is the adapter plugged in securely? You'd be surprised how often these simple things are the culprit. If your charging setup looks good, the issue might be your charging port. Over time, dust and lint can build up in there, preventing a good connection. Try using a can of compressed air to gently clean out the port. If none of these quick fixes work, then you might be dealing with a worn-out battery. Don't worry, replacing a phone battery is another DIY-friendly repair. You can find replacement batteries online, and the process usually involves opening the phone, disconnecting the old battery, and connecting the new one. Again, there are plenty of tutorials available online to guide you through it. Okay, let's talk about overheating. If your phone feels like it's about to melt through your pocket, you're not alone. Overheating can be caused by a bunch of things, from demanding apps to environmental factors. The first line of defense against overheating is prevention. Avoid using your phone under direct sunlight, especially for resource-intensive tasks like gaming or streaming. Speaking of which, keep an eye on those power-hungry apps. If you notice your phone getting hot while using a specific app, try limiting its usage or finding a less demanding alternative. If your phone is already overheating, the best thing to do is to give it a break. Turn it off for a while and let it cool down in a well-ventilated area. Avoid stacking it under other devices or covering it up, as this can trap heat. Once it's cooled down, you can turn it back on and monitor its temperature. Is your phone lagging and feeling sluggish? Don't worry, we've all been there. Over time, phones can slow down due to various reasons, but the good news is that there are some easy fixes to get it running smoothly again. One of the simplest ways to speed up your phone is to clear the cache. This basically means getting rid of temporary files that apps store on your device, which can take up space and slow things down. You can usually clear the cache for individual apps or for all apps at once in your phone's settings. Another culprit behind slow performance is having too many apps running in the background. Take a look at your recent apps list and close any apps that you're not actively using. You can also disable background activity for apps that you don't need running constantly. Alright, this last one is a bit more serious. Water damage. If your phone takes an unexpected swim, acting quickly is crucial. First and foremost, turn off your phone immediately. Don't even think about turning it back on to check if it's working. Water and electronics don't mix, and turning it on while wet can cause further damage. Next, remove any case or accessories and gently dry your phone with a soft cloth. If possible, try to remove the SIM card and battery as well. Once you've removed as much external moisture as possible, it's time for the drying process. The most common method is the rice trick. Bury your phone in a bowl of uncooked rice and leave it there for at least 24 to 48 hours. The rice will help absorb any remaining moisture inside the phone. So, there you have it guys. 5 common mobile phone problems and how to fix them like a true tech ninja. Remember, with a little patience and the right guidance, you can tackle these repairs yourself and save some serious cash. But hey, I get it. Sometimes DIY isn't for everyone. If you're ever unsure about a repair, or if the damage seems too complex, it's always best to consult a professional. Don't risk further damaging your precious device. That's it from me today, folks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech content. And hey, let me know down in the comments what other tech tips and tricks you'd like to see in future videos. Until next time, peace out. Peace.